BPS Build Bake event. Thank you for coming. For those who don't know, BPS is a family-run builders merchant which was founded in 1934. It's been in the family since the 60s, and it still has two members of the family running it, my sister and myself. The family has always been involved in building. As I said, mainly builders in Birmingham and then over in Leamington in the 60s. Today marks the opening of our shop and showroom revamp. I'd like to thank all the suppliers and staff for their hard work in making this happen. A special mention also to Andrew Collins for making it all come together today. And thank you for that, Andrew. We like to think we've created a much more open plan shop and showroom. With the extra space, we've been able to showcase more products than which used to spend a lot of time in the warehouse, because this into our showroom used to be the old warehouse, it's now into the shop area. So we reckon we've got another 5,000 new product lines actually in this area here. I think what we're most proud of is the Kudos bathrooms and kitchens. We're going to showcase some of the best bathroom and kitchen brands. So what we're going to store for you today, we're all extremely excited that we have a finalist, the Great British Bake Off. I'm sure we're all great fans of this. Christine Wallace will be doing a cookery demonstration at 11 o'clock, and Christine has also said that she will judge our cakes and cake sale at 12 o'clock, with all proceeds going to Macmillan nurses. Finally, I'd like to welcome the Mayor of Leamington, Councillor Heather Calver, to opening the new showroom. I hope you enjoyed the event.